Hi boys and girls, happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and that means it's the last day of April. Tomorrow is May 1st, and we have a little helper here today.
Hi.
Usually she's behind the camera, but now that I have my laptop set up there, she doesn't have to do this, so she can do all of her learning on a computer, not have to stop to help mommy. And I have a cool little camera thing that hangs out of the wall, little mounting little bracket thing that holds the iPad, so I can totally do all my videotaping by myself now. I feel like such a big girl. All right, so we've been doing regrouping, right? We've been doing regrouping, building a 10, taking it over to the tens place. Let's go back to our other lesson that ties into that. It connects. You have to know one to use the other, okay? So, build a 10 math lesson. All right, do you remember this? Only room 10 is going to know this. Room 7, room 8, this will be new to you. But in a minute, you're going to see that, oh, wait a second. I know that. You do know it. You totally know it, okay? So, we have a math mountain. Oh, look, I'm blocking Ellery's face. We have a math mountain right here, okay? So let's do 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, okay? 9 plus 5. And you're going to make that into a math mountain. You know your math mountains. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What goes at the very top? Well, let's figure it out. 9 plus 5. Eat the 9. 9 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I should use Ellery's fingers, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so we know our song. I can make 14 with a 9 and a 5. I can make 14 with, let's figure it out. Okay, so let's put that up at the top. 14 at the top here. Okay, so I can make 14 with a 9 and a 5. I can make 14 with a 10 and a what? Well, I don't know. Let's make a 10 stick. There's our 10 stick. We don't want to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots. Do we want to draw 10 dots?
No.
No, it would take forever, like a sloth. We don't want to do that. No, we don't have time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? All right, so here we go. So 10, what do I want to go to? 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. A 1, 2, 3, 4. See the 4? I draw a 10 stick and then I have 4 dots. Do you see the 4 dots? Right here, 4 dots. What's my missing number? 4. 10 plus 4. I can make 14 with a 9 and a 5. I can make 14 with a 10 and a 4. Okay, then get ready to clap it out. Okay, here we go. Ready? Ella, I'm going to have you hold this up for just a second. Hold that up. Ready? 9 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus 4. One more time. 9, oh, I almost clapped at the wrong time. 9 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus 4. I want you to remember that means is the same as. Equals is the same as, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing. So on your little whiteboard that you have now from the classroom, let's go ahead and make lots of space here. And Ellery's going to do whatever we're doing and then show you on the, actually we'll switch, and she'll show you on there, okay? All right, so hold that up for me, Ella. Okay, so we're doing with a new number, okay? All right, so I've got my little pan balance. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, and put the equal sign here. And I know in class I drew this for you and you had your own in class. But you can draw it, you have time, you can draw it, okay? So there's our pan balance and it has to balance, okay? It has to be equal, it has to balance. All right, so we have something plus something. Oh, Mrs. White, messy, messy. Do-do-do-do-do. Something plus something equals 10 plus something. Basically, what is it after we build a 10? So we have our number sentence equation before we build a 10, and we have our number sentence equation for after we build a 10. Now, I'm not going to do this with 3 plus 2. That only makes 5. And I'm not going to do this with 1 plus 5. That only makes 6. I'm not going to do this with 1 plus 1. That only makes 2. I'm going to do it with numbers that I know are going to build a 10, okay? All right, so Ellery, go ahead and erase on your board there. All right, here we go. So here's our numbers. We're going to make it a math mountain. Okay, make your math mountain on your whiteboard. And let's do 8 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 3, 1, 2, 3. 8 plus 3, okay? And then we have 10, there's my 10 stick, 10, but I have to get to the same number. I don't know my sum total altogether, king of the mountain. Sum total altogether, king of the mountain. I don't know it yet, so let's find out what it is. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. And in room 10, we touch our chin. 8, 9, 10, 11. We don't touch our face, we only touch our chin. But we've kind of gotten to the habit of just throwing down with our hands too, and that's fine. Remember, always eat the first number. Don't try to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, what? No, Lock that first number in your head, use your hands for the rest, and just count it down. So 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. You'll see me on the screen when I'm just showing my hands, and you don't see me when we're doing the workbook page. You'll just see my hands counting, okay? And the touching the chin, the 8, 9, 10, 11, that's for when we can do it face to face or when the camera's going like this. You're just touching your chin down here. You're not touching your mouth or your nose. If mommy doesn't want you to touch your face at all, I totally get it. So then just go 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? Or how about this? 8, 9, 10, 11. That's kind of funny too. Okay, whatever works for you. All right, so what's our sum total king altogether, king of the mountain? What is it, Ellery?
11.
11. So we have 10. What am I going to stop on? 11. 10, 11. How many more do I need? Just 1. Okay. I can make 11 with an 8 and a 3. I can make 11 with a 10 and a 1. Go ahead and copy that. Hopefully that's close enough. I don't think there's a way for me to zoom in on this camera. I have tried. I don't think I can. We can go like this. And Ellery's making one to copy for you right there. Woo! Ellery's making one for you to copy, and she'll hold it up to the camera for you as soon as she's done there. All right, let's do our little chant. Okay. So I can make 11 with an 8 and a 3. I can make 11 with a 10 and a 1. 8 plus 3 is the same as 10 plus 1. Again, 8 plus 3 is the same as 10 plus 1. All right, Ellery, show yours up there nice and close. Get it way close to that camera there. And there's the one close up so you can copy. And put that 11, oh, what'd she miss? She has her 10 stick, but we need that 11 at the top of the mountain. Ellery forgot this. And she's in 5th grade. See, 5th graders make mistakes too. She does crazy hard math. And she even makes mistakes. So, oh, I'm going to keep my 10. This is why I don't erase the 10. I'm going to erase that. Erase everything that I'm erasing. And I might get my boxes messed up a little bit. That's why it's good that we have it in the sheet protector and you don't have to worry about it, but you're fine making your own at home too, okay? All right, so let's do another one. How about 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 on this side, 10 stays on that side, okay? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eat the 7, add the 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's my sum total altogether? King of the mountain. Sum total altogether, king of the mountain. What is it, Ella?
12.
12. I can make a 12 with a 7 and a 5. I can make a 12 with a 10 and a, I don't know. Remember, the whole class goes, I don't know, whenever we point to that blank box. And I've got a 10 stick here. 10. What am I going to go to? I'm going to go 19, right? No. Oh, 23.
No.
4 million. What number am I stopping on? 12. 10, 11, 12. a 1, 2. What goes in the box? I'm going to make my box a little bit bigger there. If you make your box bigger, it will help you too. What's my missing number? 2, 2, 2, 2, dos, 2. And King of the Mountain is 12. I can make a 12 with a 7 and a 5. I can make a 12 with a 10 and a 2. You ready to clap it out? All right, here we go. 7 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus 2. One more time. 7 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus 2. All right, go ahead and erase it. And you might use a sock, you might use a tissue, paper towel. Don't use that toilet paper, it's so hard to find. Use an old sock that doesn't have a match anymore. Or use a sock that has a hole in it. Tissue works good too. A washcloth works good too. Alright, you ready, spaghetti? Go noodle. Alright, here we go. How's about 7 plus 6? 7 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oop. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One more time. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I can make 13 with a 7 and a 6. I can make 13 with a 10 and a what? I don't know. 10 stick. And from 10 to 28. Yeah? No. From 10 to 5,000. No, from 10 to 13. Start on 10, stop on 13. Here we go. 10, count on. 11, 12, 13. A 1, 2, 3. What's my missing number? 3. Ready? I can make 13 with a 7 and a 6. I can make 13 with a 10 and a 3. Ready to clap it out? Here we go. 7 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 3. One more time. 7 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 3. And we need to know that so that you see when you're regrouping, you can see this. You can see that on there, okay? You can see regrouping. So we're going to stop for just a minute and I'm going to show you on regrouping what that's going to look like, okay? So let's say we have 47. You see the 7? There's my 7, okay? These are all numbers in the ones place, okay? 47 plus 26, and there's my 6, okay? There's my 7. And there's my 6. So 47 plus 26. T for 10 place, O for 1's place. I'm going to add that together. So look, 7 plus 6. Let's do our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And let's see. 7 plus 6. 7, what is it? 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 7, and I need how many more? Look. 7, and those are the big ones we like to color big. 7, 8, 9, 10. I need these and those together to build a 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. And when you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. Put that down a little bit there. And drop it right there. There's my 4-digit, my 2-digit, and now I have my 1-digit, okay? So cross it off because I traded it. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. Don't forget we have 1, 2, 3, 4 for 10 sticks, and 1, 2 for 2 10 sticks, okay? So 4 10 sticks for the 4-digit, 2 10 sticks for the 2-digit, and I need 1 10 stick for my 1-digit. Let's count those all together. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 6, 7, okay? We forgot to put that number right there, didn't we? What was left over? What's left over? A 1, 2, 3. What's left over? 3. A 10 and a 3. I can make, remember when we've been doing it, I've done it 1,000 times. I can make 13 with a 7 and a 6. I can make 13 with a 10 and a 3. There it is. I can make 13 with a 7 and a 6. I can make 13 with a 10 and a 3, and it's all from here. Is your brain connecting it? Is your brain connecting it all together? Okay. All right. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you how these go together, and we can practice them back and forth. I think the pan balance is super fun. Okay. And what do we say to Ellery for helping today? What's that, boys and girls? What's that? Oh, I just gave away my secret voice. Oh no. What's that, boys and girls? What do we say? Thank you, Ellery.
Welcome.
All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Goodbye now. Goodbye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. So long. So long. Adios.